This is the Bamboo Lab A1 printer. A simple, easy to use, and I would suggest starter printer. Comes out of the box, more or less ready to go, and I've had this for about a year and it's done me well. You can probably see I got the AMS version, just because it was only a little bit more, and the idea of being able to do multicoloured prints, along with having the runout detectors. If I needed to do a longer print, then at least I'd know I'd have the multiple spools with the same filament. So then begs the question, why I've barely used it. I've just been unable to figure out what I exactly want to do with it. Turns out it's all well and good having your own printer and all the upgrades for it, but without actually anything to print, it just sits there collecting dust. So one of the reasons why I've started this channel, and one of the things I'm hoping to achieve, is that by using this printer and some other bits, I can also learn 3D design and model making. And of course, I can use this printer reasonably well, and have at the past been able to print out some items. And with it, it works very well. It's incredibly easy for a beginner to get a hold of. You basically just plug and play with it. As you can see, I did print out the extension that puts the AMS on the top, but I just found that the stability of this machine, and you ended up with a lot of vibration. So I did keep the backlog support on because I feel it helps keep the machine stable. So the plan for this channel is, along with some 3D software, I should be hopefully find everything I'm good at and bad at when it comes to 3D design, and hopefully improve. This probably won't be anything close to a tutorial because I'm not an expert, but hopefully any pitfalls or caveats I find are comparable to your problems, so stay tuned and we'll see things go. Thank you.